Today is 11/11 and I'm going to be installing Windows 11 on my MacBook Pro. Well, I'll try to, because this is an i5 5th gen. It does not have TPM 2.0, but I'm going to try it anyway. So we're just going to shut down and then boot into Windows Boot Camp. Turn it on. Windows and Macintosh HD. We're into Windows now. But yeah, we're gonna follow some instructions I found on the internet. So it doesn't meet the requirements, so we are going to fix that. Alright, I'm gonna replace the surpriser with the guy in the videos version. That will get rid of the TVM 2.0 thing. Oh. So it worked. Oh boy, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So it seems as if it's shut down, so I'm gonna power it on and hold the Option key to boot into the Windows. Oh, let's go! Yo, we're in the Windows 11, look! And it's Windows 11 installed on 11/11, ha! Alright, I'm gonna film my reaction to the Windows desktop. Hi. This might be. Whoa, look at the thing. Look at the animation thing they did. Why the oh, there we go. No! Why does it stop focusing? Focus on the thing. Who cares? It says this might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Ooh, almost there. Oh! Oh my god. There's no wallpaper. But yeah, that's it. Windows 11. Where's the freaking wallpaper? Where's the wallpaper? Hello? Hello? Oh, I deleted it. That's why. This is weird. The animations are super fluid. Oh, it's like glass. Yo, that's really messed up. Okay, it says I'll need to activate Windows before personalizing your PC. It still won't focus. Okay, but there we go. Let's try that theme. Ooh, yeah. You're telling me I can't personalize my PC? Yeah, but alright. Well, that's it for this video. I was installing Windows on an unsupported Mac.